it's Laura. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I received the new Margo Elena 2021 seasonal box, and this is box number 2 for me, but for them it's box number 15. So let's dive in and see all the wondrous goodies that are in this beautiful box from Margo Elena. So this box comes out 4 times a year, once every 3 months, and it's easier to open today. All right, here's what's in it. All right, there we go. Beautiful, very colorful, very summery. So, vibrant blooms. Vibrant blooms. That's the theme of this box. Summer bliss. All right, let's delve into it. I really like this box. I've been shopping at Margo Elena for quite a number of years, and the wait is over. There's a little sticker that says the wait is over. My all-time favorite perfume is from them. That's how I discovered it. I was shopping for some perfume and discovered their TokyoMilk Dark line, and then finally got signed up for the box. So under the first layer of wrap and bubble wrap, it's always very well packaged. There is some informational cards, and let's see, we've got, oh, lovely as a summer day, a nice little postcard. That's adorable. And you are sunshine, another beautiful little postcard. Send to your friends. I actually do send a lot of mail, so this is where we are. So the first thing, right on top here, let's have a look. There was some sneak previews, and this was one that they showed a little bit, are for TokyoMilk Neptune and the Mermaid, large size trivets for your beverage or small napkins. I really do like their housewares. They have very creative prints and patterns, and it's always very fun. So, let's see what we'll grab next. Let's start with another yellow wrapped item. Ooh, and again, well packaged in its own. It is Grapefruit and Blood Orange Fine Salt Scrub from the Cottage Greenhouse line. Okay. Let's see what we're going to delve into next. Another lovely saffron colored paper item. This is, again, very carefully packaged, perfume cream. Now, I've seen solid perfume, spray perfume, but I have not seen a cream version of perfume, and I have not tried it. I do like the Library of Flowers. This is the line it's from, and this is Field and Flowers. I do have one of the candles from this line that I absolutely adore the smell of, so hopefully that will be also very lovely. And the Margo Elena usually has quite highly scented items, so if you're non-scented, if you like bath and beauty products and indulging yourself with non-scented products, their line is probably not the one for you. A lot of their aromas are very floral, some fruity notes and some darker notes. So but it is quite heavy. At the same time, it's quite light. I'm somebody who's very sensitive to smell, and normally I can't wear perfumes or heavy kinds of scents really bother me. But for whatever reason, I think the cleanliness of the ingredients that they're using helps a lot. But I have had, for me, no problems at all with the scent. But they are quite heavily scented. All right, so the next thing in here, I'm just grabbing. So this is the next item. Beautiful, solid soap. Actually very light scented after all that talk about heavy scents. Aha, I know it. I know what this one is. I have a lot of their hand cream, and this is the TokyoMilk Light line. I have actually this perfume, which is number 2, Awaken Within, and I do like it. It's quite lovely. And this is their hand cream version of that scent. And ooh, she tight. Ooh. So this is the packaging for that. And like I said, their hand creams are really great. And this one is Awaken Within. There are 4 scents so far in their TokyoMilk Light line. And the hand cream is really nice. It's shea butter based and has a beautiful scent. I'm sure it smells the same as the perfume. It's sealed, but the perfume is very light. That's will be thoroughly enjoyed for sure. My favorite hand cream is the one that goes with the scent that I like from the TokyoMilk Dark line, which I use a lot, which is Everything and Nothing. All right, this box, it is an expensive box, but you get so many full-size and really high-quality products. I think it's really worth it if you do like to pamper yourself or have nice gifts of the things that you don't use. Oh, beautiful packaging. Look at that. Lollia line. And this is a Relax Foaming Bath. And there's more, there's more, there's always more. This is interesting. Shape. We got perfume. I love their perfume. Like I said, I've got, oh gosh, probably at least 10 bottles of their perfume already. This is TokyoMilk Honey in the Moon. I have had the Honey in the Moon in other things, but not the perfume. I think I have a body wash in Honey in the Moon. This is their standard size perfume, and it's usually $36 to $40, $44. Oh, beautiful. It smells really a lot like the body wash that I'm enjoying right now from the last box. Okay, so the value is really good. And I think they tried to target about a $200 value. Some of the items are sometimes a little bit more expensive than what you would normally pay. With the box, I'm happy if I'm getting 50% off. So if I'm getting, the box I think is $60, approximately $60. So if I'm getting $120 of products that I would buy, I'm very happy with that as a box. All right, hand sanitizer. Who doesn't need hand sanitizer in this day and age? Yes. This is the Cottage Greenhouse line, and it is lemon and aloe flavor. That sounds actually quite nice. It's very fresh, very lemony, and quite light. I think that's not, I think it's a different size. I don't think that's their full size, but it's not their travel size. So it's something in between that they made just for the box. And down to the last item. Ah, beautiful. Okay, so I do love their candles. And this is one of their candles from Library Flowers, Field and Flowers, scented. Let's just get this open. I'm definitely going to keep this, and I'm definitely going to use this. I absolutely love their candles, what they call their luminaries. Yeah, I find I light them and only have them on for a few minutes, and the scent really lingers just from the warm wax. So for me, they last an extraordinarily long time. They are expensive to buy individually for sure, but for a scented candle that lasts you time and time again, you know, probably for a year if you just burn it a little bit just to get the aroma released and then put it off. And that's usually what I like to do. But that is lovely. I'm so happy to have another candle from them. So that is the contents. Just double checking everything. In terms of the value, so here's a view of the card. So in terms of the value, what they're saying is that the Honey in the Moon is $38. The Shea Butter Soap, $12. This is a gigantic soap, by the way. That will last a very long time. The cocktail napkins are $25. Well, $25. I wouldn't say that that's $25. But like I said, you know, basically the perfume and the candle, the cost of that, which is items that I would buy, pays for the entire box. So for me, that's fantastic value. Let's see, the Luminary, which we just showed, is $16. And that's actually a pretty good price for their luminaries, which are quite expensive usually. The Parfum Crema. Again, I'm interested to try this. I've not ever had Parfum Crema before. That is $22. That seems actually quite reasonable for that. The TokyoMilk Light hand cream, Awaken Within, is $22. And again, that's a standard price for them. It is something that I would buy. I usually try to get it on sale, but I do know that this, you just need a tiny little bit. It will last a long time as well. The Lollia Relax Bubble Bath. And again, this is not their standard size. This is a special size just for the box, but it's a good, good amount. Certainly not a trial size. And that is $18. The new, oh, so this is a new product, the Grapefruit Body Scrub. And that is $28. So we're getting to try something that is new on their line. That's always nice. Summer postcards. 2 of those, $5. I wouldn't pay $5 for 2 postcards, but I think what I probably will do is frame them up and keep them on my desk, rotate them in and out, so that'd be nice. Yeah, so retail value they're saying is $200. I'd say that's generous. A lot of the products are, that is their standard price. Some of the items like the napkins and the postcards are not things they normally carry. They have had more in the past, textiles and different things, which were not quite as expensive, but as a bonus to the box, which has 10 items. This whole box has 10 items for the $60 plus shipping. I'm very happy with that for an average cost of, you know, $6 or $7. I think that's a haul. I'm so happy to finally be on the box list for Margo Elena. I am glad that it only does come seasonally 4 times a year, because it does take me a long time to go through some of the products. This will definitely last much, much more into the next box. I'm still using a lot of the products from the last box and enjoying them thoroughly. So that has been the unboxing of the latest Margo Elena Summer Edition Vibrant Blooms seasonal box. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the wonderful items. I wish you could smell them. They are lovely. Take care. Have a wonderful day and be well. Bye for now.